Today we're going to do 2.1, the factorization method. This method you should have learned already in Sec 2, but we will just have a quick recap of the lesson. So without much further ado, let's start with question 1. 2x squared plus 9x minus 5 is equals to 0. So I put the two brackets. Okay, 2x and x. 2x squared, you can express it as 2x and x. Now, 9x, negative 5, I think it's plus 5. And minus 1 equals to 0. I check. Minus x plus 10x is 9x. It is correct. So, notice that where you have one bracket A times another bracket B, okay, A times B, and then put it there. A times B is equals to 0. We know from Sec 2 that A equals to 0 or B is equals to 0. Notice that this case only works when the right hand side is a 0. You cannot do this right if this is a number. So, down here we have 2x minus 1 is equals to 0 or x plus 5 is equals to 0. Quickly we solve it. 2x equals to 1, x equals to half, or x is equals to negative 5. And we are done with question 1. Let us now move on to question 2. Question 2. Again, we have a quadratic equation. It will be quadratic, so you can see quite quickly. First, right, in order to solve this, you have to collect all terms on the left hand side. Okay, but let us try to expand this first. A quick expansion will give me 9x squared minus x minus 18x plus 2 equals to negative 7x minus 2. I will simplify the left hand side first. 9x squared minus 19x plus 2 equals to negative 7x minus 2. Then I will collect all terms on the left hand side. I get negative 19 plus 7 is negative 12x plus 4 is equals to 0. Okay, now what we can do here is this. We can try to factorize. 9x can be expressed as 3x and 3x plus 4. It can be expressed as negative 2 and negative 2. We check to see if it's correct. Negative 6x together, they add up to give me negative 12x. So therefore, we know that this is a correct factorization. So we can say that 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. Notice that this is 3x minus 2, this is 3x minus 2. That means they have the same root. Okay. So in short, I only have one answer where x equals to 2/3. This is a case whereby it is called a repeated root. That means both x answers or both roots are the same. It's actually known as a repeated root. Okay, question 3. Question 3, I want to show you another method. Generally, when you look at question 3, most of the time what we'll do is, oh, let's just expand. Then just like question 2, we can collect all the terms onto the left hand side. But there's something simpler here. If you notice that the term here, it is 5x plus 3 and 5x plus 3. They are actually the same term. So maybe we can try to factorize this term. So what I do here is this. I will minus 9 times 5 plus 3 on both sides. So in a way, this whole term will come over to the left hand side. I get negative 9. Here is plus 9. Onto the left hand side is negative 9. 5x plus 3 is equals to 0. Then, notice that the common term is 5x plus 3. So if I were to factorize 5x plus 3, what is left inside my bracket is 2x minus 9 is equals to 0. Then same thing, how we solve this, 5x plus 3 is equals to 0 or 2x minus 9 equals to 0. X is equals to negative 3/5 or x equals to 9/2, 4 and a half. And that is that for this video. It's not even 10 minutes. I made it in less than 5 minutes. Thank you for watching.